good video here. I got Super Handsome right there, Super ACAS right here. Guys, we got a fun video. This challenge, well, actually it's a experiment, okay? We're gonna make it rain. Did you guys hear what I said? What did I say? We're gonna make it rain. That's right. So guys, all you need, you just need water, a coloring, and a shaving cream. That's all we're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna get the shaving cream. If I can open it. It's open. Okay guys, so we're gonna get a shaving cream, and then we're gonna just make sure we cover the water. Okay? So cover the water. It can't hit it.
My water?
Cover the water. Just cover. Okay, sometimes this thing is stubborn, so make sure you cover everything, okay? Just cover it really good. Good. And make sure there is no corners. Get the corners. Oops.
Corner right here.
Make sure, guys, don't spray yourself now. I almost did. Supermom almost sprayed herself. Oh my. I got a big jar because you know I'm Supermom. Okay. You can spray all the way. We're gonna make this rain. All in the corner there. You can make sure don't spray me now. There you go, guys. I think you covered it up. Okay, guys. Okay. So I put the shaving cream away. This is gonna be cool, guys. All right. So now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna take our full coloring. Okay, our full coloring. All right, guys.
Oh, I really want this.
And this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we're just gonna put a drop like this. 1, 2, 3. How many drops? Yeah, do the red. We can mix it all up.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's do the red. Just drop it in. Drop it in.
2.
Yeah,
Three.
we do 3. I think you can pull out one if you can. We gotta go in. We gotta drop it in. It gotta go through, man. It gotta go through here. Use the green. Ooh, it got. Handsy, I like your color. I got a blue
I get
here.
the orange. Only the blue.
Yeah. Mix it up. Mix it up. There you go. Let me get that. Yep. Let me get the orange. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that, guys. That is so cool, guys. Look at the bottom.
Oh, it's floating.
I know. Don't put too much now. Just a little bit.
Okay, I use the orange.
I think I'm gonna
It's the orange.
do this. Look at that. That is so cool. Is that an orange?
Yeah.
Ooh, here's it. That's
Yo.
really cool.
Yo.
Okay, guys, I gotta bring the camera closer so the super crew can see. Okay. Guys, stand up so I can bring it closer. Guys, this is really nice. I gotta bring this closer so the super crew can see. Hold up. I gotta take that. Hey, super cool. Look at this. Look at how cool that is. That's Supermom right there. Look at Handsome. Oh, that is pretty cool. I mean, the color is just coming down.
I did it all mixed up.
Oh, look at it gets your shirt is in the way. Good. Wow, guys, look at that. So guys, you guys need to try this at home. This is pretty cool. You're gonna like it. Cool. Man, look at how cool that is. Look at that. You just need a shaving cream. That's all you need, guys. A shaving cream, a water, and some full coloring. And you will make it rain. Look at that. That is so cool. So guys, this was so fun. What do you guys think about the experiment, guys? It was pretty
awesome.
cool, right?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah. Huh?
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing,
Awesome.
guys. It was pretty cool. So super cool. You guys should try this at home. All you need: water, a sherry cream, and some food coloring. That's all you need, guys. Guys, thanks for watching, man. Man, super cool. You know, I want to thank everybody for stopping by to watch me and the boys just having some fun and creating memories, guys. Remember, you guys can do it as well. Super dad, super aunt, super uncle. Guess what? When you encourage the kids and you make them to be the best they can be, you are a superhero. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye bye. Okay.